You set goals, you make to-do list, you even get started, but somehow it doesn't stick. You slide back into old habits. Why? Pause it and think. Because you're trying to change your behavior without changing your identity. You want to get fit, but you don't want to work out. You want to eat junk. Then how will you ever get fit? So if you are tired of setting goals and not following through, then this video will teach you the powerful mindset shift that elite performers use to stay consistent even when motivation fades. So let's see why goals alone doesn't work. Most people focus on outcome based goal. I want to get fit, I want to switch the job, I want to change my career and so on. But when challenges arise, as they always do, outcomes aren't strong enough to keep you going. And then you start negotiating with yourself that okay, if one day I just sleep for more 2 hours? Okay, what if one day I eat that junk? Nothing happens with a bite, right? With a mild sugar. But yes, it happens. It starts with small and then it grows big. So instead of asking what I want to achieve, you should ask what I want to become. So let's plan 3 of your goals and pause this video right now and turn into identities instead of goals. Pause it. Now I hope you have written your identities that you want to be instead of just focusing on plain goals. So if your identity is I am a healthy person, so not only you want to lose weight, you will do everything differently. You will avoid that junk, you will hit gym every day. You will eat differently, you will think differently. So even if somebody offers it, just take a sip of this sugary drink. If you are a healthy person, you will say, no, a big no. So if you want to complete a book, then don't just take a goal of completing a book. Be a reader. So if you want to wake up early, be someone who wakes up early, who values the morning. So that if you're not waking up in the morning, your day is not started. You are a morning person who plans everything in the morning. If you want to earn money by passive income, by side incomes, by side hustles, then don't call yourself a side, like you want to generate income. Be a creator, create. And once you start creating, you'll hit your side income very soon. Now we have made ourselves identities instead of goal. I'm a healthy person, I'm a morning person, and I'm a healthy person. Now since we have made ourselves identities, now it's time to push those identities through action. We are talking about identities, but how those identities are built. If you're a sincere person, you have to be sincere. You have to follow up, right? And if you want to be a healthy person, you have to follow the habits that a healthy person has. So here's the twist. Identity isn't built by thinking. It's built by doing. So whatever your identity is, it is not only that you are calling yourself reader. For you to be a reader, you have to read books each day. Every action you are taking is a single vote towards your identity. For example, if you hit a gym every day, you are a person who wants to become an athlete, maybe, or you are a person who is a fit person. If you're just reading 2 pages every day, you are becoming a reader by yourself. Every single time you do an action, it counts as a vote in your identity. And thus your identity becomes strong each day. I know that theory gets boring sometimes. Let me give you some examples. Shreya, my colleague, didn't want to get promoted. But then she shifted her goal from being promoted as her identity that she is someone who adds value every single day. Thus her output, leadership and confidence soared. And as a result, she got promoted. Let me tell you another example. Ravi, my friend, who is not a very, athlete type of person, wants to run a marathon. What he did? So if he keeps thinking that I want to run a marathon, nothing is happening. He changed his goal from running a marathon to becoming a runner. And once he became a runner, he started running every day. And thus, he trained himself to run a marathon. And now he successfully ran, 3 to 4 marathons where he was just wishing to run. So you can be the same example here. Just pause this video and gather the identity that you have created for yourself and just try working on it each day. Make one vote count each day and make your identities stronger. If you're still feeling, oh, I can't do it, I'm lazy, I'm not consistent, let me tell you something powerful. Let your identity evolve. If you just keep saying, oh, I'm so lazy, I don't know how to be consistent, oh, I cannot do it, you're training your mind to be like that. Instead, say this: I am learning to be consistent. I'm becoming a creator myself. I've shooted one video today. These are the small bridges that will carry you from where you are right now to where you want to be. Just one thing at a day. So, next time you set yourself a goal that I want to lose 10 kg, think. Pause here and think and ask yourself why this goal, why you want to set this goal, and how you can make this goal effortless so that you just keep doing it and do not leave it in between. It makes it your identity. Be a healthy person instead of just losing weight. If this video resonated with you, I'm sure next one will too. In the next video, we are going to see why vision board fails. So if this resonated with you, I'm sure next video will going to supercharge you. Because in the next video, I'm going to tell how actually the vision board works. That will blow your mind. We are not just building habits here. We are building new you. So do not forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon to get notified for the next video. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.